happens is men, and I tell people this, it's really from a spiritual standpoint. Men need a lot more penetration than women do. We need more caressing and talking too.
Yeah.
So what happens is you burn your chick out, and then you lose the desire. But there's other things that you really like besides the penetration of the woman. That's why you date her, right? But what happens is you constantly want to bang her. She's there. In the bed, you wake up, she's there, you know, she go to the movies, okay, she's there. You just want to stick it. It wasn't, you know, she just happens to be convenient, right? So you're going to stick it, right? But if you have two other, you still can appreciate the woman, the qualities that you liked in the first one. And then bang the other two just as much. And still appreciate the other two, the qualities that you like in the other two women too. So it keeps everyone happy. And then the woman can pursue what they enjoy doing, such as painting, or if they have children, or if they enjoy cooking, or if they're a student. They can do what they like to do without feeling like, oh shit, I gotta serve.
I can tell you're a teacher, girl. I can tell. You're schooling us right now.
No, but could you imagine me in the classroom? I teach hard. I don't teach hard. What I do is I set a palette up. All I do is leave out paints, paintbrushes, and I set the room up, and I do nothing but place some examples around the room. I teach nothing. I allow them to teach themselves. But I share this information with you guys because I'm older, and then I realized that a man is going to cheat. Again, whether he's happy or whether he's straight, he's going to cheat. So why put constraints on him? Allow him to have the freedom. And because you're free, you're happy, right? And most people take jobs and they're not happy.
Yeah, but I don't know if I want some other dude smashing my chick. That's the thing.
But that's territorial. You understand what I'm saying? So what happens is freedom, and real freedom means that when you love and you love honestly, honey, it's not, you can't own anything. I don't own my children. You don't own anything. But the beauty of it is if you can release something and know that you still are connected. You painted this building and you're getting ready to leave it in a day or two. But it's still there. Love never goes anywhere. The work that you put into this building won't be there forever. You know that. And it's not canvas, but you choose. You choose to paint on living words. So whether it's there for 2 months or 2 weeks, it's still your work. And it still has gone into the atmosphere, right? Same thing applies to knocking on boots. Right?
Yeah.
Does it ever go anywhere? It's a connection and it's energy. That's energy, right?
Yeah.
Does that energy ever leave?
I don't know. I guess it depends if you're knocking the boots. Good loving body rocking, knocking boots all night long.
You are stupid.
Yeah. We're doing this one for all the ladies.